All right, this week,
Yep.
the Only Dads are going to show you how to make a Kentucky Maid.
With this cool...
And then you'll see our rating.
Yeah. Got a new rating. Welcome to Combat Cocktails, a.k.a. Only Dads.
Only Dads.
Only Dads. Today we're going to... Ian, Dan, and Derek... I get my own name wrong. We're going to make for you the Kentucky Maid.
Yes.
We've pre-made some of the pieces.
Pretty much a...
The only pieces we made are I squeezed lemon juice. Lime juice. Sorry.
Yes.
There was some prep work ahead of time.
Yeah.
We had cucumbers.
He didn't want to do that on film. Sometimes it's hard for him to squeeze.
Right. We don't want to...
He might look tough, but...
Did I already...
Shit.
Did I pour that in there and then think I hadn't poured that in there? And then...
And then didn't put enough sugar in it?
Is that sugar or is that water? Okay, we're good.
What is
I'm just losing my mind. I
don't know, but he just fingered our drink,
I
so...
poured this,
This should be
poured this
tasty.
in there, and then put that back, and then went to go pour it again, because I didn't think I poured it. So
I
I'm
think
losing
you-
my mind.
Yeah,
I think you
just
poured
did.
the lime once we started.
Lime's in here.
He
okay.
double
Because
poured
I knew I needed this for the syrup. So
He double poured the
Ah.
sugar, but only actually
I should
did
just
it
squeeze the
once.
lime on camera.
Anyway, the recipe is 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 to 8 mint leaves, 6 to 8 mint leaves, 2 to 3 cucumber slices,
200 to 300 mint
a mint
leaves.
sprig cucumber slice garnish if you're so willing. I don't know, whatever Ian does at this point will just be good enough.
He's
You know what I
muddle it
did?
all up.
So that drink I said, the Diamond Martini,
Yeah.
I made it wrong in 2009. Like I was off by like an ounce of chocolate vodka or something. I don't understand. Even though the recipe was, I had a recipe, but I did it wrong. 3 ingredients, did it wrong. So when I did it again.
Well, you've gotten better.
So you're growing. So
No. I did it again last week and I did it wrong, but I corrected it before I finished. Like I was halfway through the recording and I was like, the fuck did I just do? That's like an ounce of, like I used an ounce that was supposed to be a half ounce. I'm like, I'm already fucked up. 3 ingredients. I fucked up
how
twice
hard is that?
in a span of
God
18
dang.
fucking
God
years.
dang. What are you looking for?
Let's go. Yeah.
T-hat. What, you don't got a China hat anymore?
I'm not racist.
Oh, well then, there you go. I think it still is called that though.
A tea hat or China
No,
hat?
China hat.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like, know what I learned? Midget car racing isn't racist.
Why would it be?
Yeah. They're little cars.
Midget's not a race.
Okay, not racist. Slang? I
That's
don't know. What do
true.
they call it when you say something? When you call somebody what they're not supposed to be called anymore because they changed the words.
Derogatory?
I guess.
Uh-oh.
But that's it's not. It's not that case for the cars.
not a bad word?
Only a bad word for the humans, but not the cars.
Midget car racing is not midgets racing.
Yeah,
It's
'cause-
small cars. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that
I
is
didn't know what
true.
midget car racing was.
It's not little
really?
people in little cars.
It's midget car racing, not midget
It's
car
just-
racing.
It's not midget. Yeah.
I
Yes,
understand.
but you
It's
know
midget
cars?
cars.
You've never seen midget cars?
No.
They're like tiny
They're
little
little.
cars with like little people in it. It's like little smart cars riding around.
Well, they like the
Well, we have
Shriners?
Not that small.
Oh, okay.
We have a racetrack down the street. I just forgot that everybody has.
Oh, yeah,
one.
I know we got the racetrack down there.
Yeah, I just didn't.
How did we get to midgets?
I don't
Derek
remember.
was talking about.
Oh, yeah, it's something to do with China hats. I don't know. Anyway, now that we're canceled,
Wait, what does this look like?
you can say that. He's
I can do that.
right.
Hey, we need a glass.
Oh, we do.
I knew we needed something.
What kind of glass do we need? Rock
Well,
glass.
we're gonna muddle it. Rock glass is under right there. See it?
No.
So you're gonna muddle the mint with the cucumber and the syrup. You squeeze them all together. It's gonna make a nice, juicy, pulverized mix. Then you add your bourbon, your lime, your ice. Then you do your shake. Now you're gonna double strain it with the tea strainer, available at ostrich.com.
You need one of these.
Yep. And that's gonna make sure that none of the mint that gets by the strainer goes into your drink because some people find it unpleasant, like myself. I don't like little mint pieces getting stuck in my teeth. Some people don't care. Dan doesn't care.
No, okay.
He just sits there and got like 7 pieces of mint flying out
It's
of
all
his mouth.
good. I got a water pick now, so I'm good. Boom.
There's no
Clean
good
that
focus
shit
on
right
this
up.
camera.
Yeah. What?
There's no good place to put this for focus.
You told me the focus was fine.
It's not focusing.
My eyes are fucked up though. Why would you trust me?
Don't look at me because I think it looks like it's in focus.
I just-
It is. That's as close as I
I
can.
mean, when you guys see this, you can tell me. I think
can't-
it's in focus.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Can you tell if that's not in focus?
me?
Yeah.
I could tell you it is in focus.
Yeah.
Only the problem is it's only in focus exactly where it needs to be, which is the top of the glass.
Well, what does that mean?
So-
because of the way
So he's telling me that I
aperture
did a really
Ah.
good job in kind of a like back anyway.
Right. Well, I also set the focus when we started.
So he's telling him that he did a really good job.
We combined it together and we did a fantastic job.
Nice. Good teamwork, Derek.
I'm really thirsty.
But the aperture is just set really tight, so it's like it's very focused right in the center,
Okay.
and everything else is blurry as fuck. Like right now, what he's doing, can't see it.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. My eyes are blurry all the time.
Well, then that's a problem. You should have your eyes looked at. Oh, the other thing I tell you,
I do.
you're old.
No.
I hate when they do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how your life is now. You're like, ah, damn it.
He's like, you want readers? And I'm like, fuck you.
Can they make readers that work with your contacts in?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, it all depends on how he sets my contacts.
Oh.
That he's like, you could use, and I'm like, no. I'm like, just figure it the fuck out.
Do they don't have like an app yet where you can set them and
Oh.
All
But
right, only dads. This is a really good drink.
only old dads?
Only dads. If you're over 50 and looking for a time,
A time.
the dads are here.
You didn't try this yet. Ooh, get you right here. Why is it getting me right here?
Ooh. I mean, I love anything with cucumber in it. I do. I am a sucker for cucumber. And mint?
Yep. Can't go wrong.
Oh my God.
That's how I got you to like gin.
It is. It is.
I thought you were going to say that's how I got you to like me or something. Like, where's she
That's how I
going?
got him to like gin.
By putting cucumbers in it?
No, I let him try it.
Hendrix.
Oh, that'll do it.
You let him? He wasn't allowed to before that?
No.
No, I
We
mean,
don't let Dan do
Dan, do
things.
we need to talk afterwards? Is everything okay?
Can we go to a safe space?
We can.
Okay.
It's right here.
really, could you just ask if everything's okay? No, that's a loaded question.
The answer is it's never okay. If it is, it's boring. Don't let that happen.
It's
Pretty good.
Want to try?
This, my friends, we're using
That's
our
good.
bourbon is Chestnut Farms from Barton, 1792, Master Distillers, and the rest of the words get. Hold on.
Sweet.
Kentucky
See, I can read that.
Well, it's the font. Kentucky Straight. I can read it. I just can't say it. Kentucky Straight.
Yeah, but it's really
Bourbon
freaking far away
whiskey.
from you.
45. Is that 45 or 43? Oh, you got it.
45. 45.
Yeah,
See,
you
I
got
can
it
see it.
closer.
I can
What's
see it.
happening? You guys are
They're so old.
man session. Hold on.
Dude, what I'm saying is it's an overproof, slightly good bourbon.
It doesn't taste overproof. It has like a sweetness to it.
Yeah.
Really good sweetness.
I think it's
to it.
We're working towards a new demographic.
Only dads.
Would you like to have a drink with the only dads?
No cat.
down there?
Holy shit.
We all look. Yep, that just happened. It's like, well, the thing is, it didn't make a big banging sound, so it hit something.
Yeah, nothing meowed. So
That's good.
nothing
Yeah.
hissed.
Cucumber, mint, bourbon.
I give thumbs up.
Yeah, I would give extra
I
thumbs
mean,
up.
come on.
So now the question will be, next week, you're going to see us make the Irish
Got a one
Maid.
dick up right there. That's good.
Next week, we're going to make the Irish Maid.
It's bigger,
Now
it's
One-
bigger
one-
than a thumb.
One erection?
That's going to be 2 dicks up. Irish Maid for
No, that's
what's
just-
that?
One erection, no pill.
That's a no pill erection.
That's how good it is.
Yeah.
What the hell? Oh, St. Patrick's Day. I'm trying to think of this, and you guys keep interjecting weird fucking things into my head while I'm trying to come out with St.
All I can
Patrick's
think
Day.
of is now you're thinking of planning something with a pill on St. Patrick's Day. Be
And it's
ready.
got 2 dicks up.
Be ready, Joe.
Yeah, well, I mean, my dick up. You gotta tell me. What's your rating?
I told you one dick.
It's a
Wow.
semi? Oh, but
One
is
dick
it?
up.
Are you just
So
referencing
we're
his?
2 dicks
Oh,
up.
I go 3 then.
Oh, 3 dicks up.
Okay.
Oh.
Now get creative with
Only
that,
dads. 3 dicks
dicks
up.
up.
with the post processing and have some little dicks come out.
Also, to just let you know,
YouTube.
this
We can blur them.
yeah. Well,
But
and then
people will know.
the show's already marketed as not kid friendly, so it's fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's always been that way since they've made the feature. And this is only the 3rd drink. We are not drunk yet. This is just us being stupid.
Yeah, we're
We've just honed in on
That's
our
good.
stupidity.
Jen and Jalitha, how many dicks up would you give that last drink?
to deal with the dry voice. It's like an
I don't know
80s.
if I'd do that would be a semi.
That would be a
It's
semi.
a semi, yeah.
Well, you guys can use nips, so you can be like, that's a
Nips up.
that's
Oh,
a
but
two
then they
part
get
nip
two.
drink, or
But
that's a
now
one and a half.
they get more.
Imagine
resolution.
just a one nip.
I think the resolution is tougher because they're smaller than
Mm.
dicks.
Yeah.
Dicks are bigger, so you can you have gradients.
True.
Like a little
Yeah.
clitoris. Can add that in there. Then you can get up to a 3-point score.
I think this train is going.
Yeah.
Anyway.
All right.
Down below.
Too far, Derek. Too far.
That's exactly how it's always supposed to go. Bartender Starter Kit, shop.observation.com. Pick yours up today or tomorrow, soon. And that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.